Russians need help.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
Nope.
We must fight the Nazis together.
Alright. But are you sure you must do it?
Okay. The fuck?
The hell?
Knife?
Get on the ground! No! Get on the ground. Get on the ground! Right now! Nine.
Get on the freaking ground.
Go!
Now! Now!
He's trying to tell us he's
Go!
alive.
Shit! Shit! Help me! Help me!
Boom! Boom! He's dead.
Go, 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 go!
It's a crazy mind. We need to make sure he's still.
Maybe it's that infection. Shit!
What the hell?
The frick? It's running away. Get it! Go! Where'd it go? Go! No, we can't take any chances. It might have the infection.
Come on.
Yeah,
We should back to base.
you shot it in the head.
It's mad now.
That's it.
Shoot on the trees.
Okay.
That should do it. Let's head back.
Okay. Shit! I think he bit me.
Yeah.
That
That sucks.
Alright.
What the heck is that? What is it? What is that?
Maybe it's a healer.
Yeah, you suppose that's a healing?
Phoenix LTX.
What? Let me see.
No. Roar! Alright, here. I feel a little bit better. Yes.
Whoa.
What the hell?